Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're taking a closer look at the Triumph app and whether you can actually make money from it. Triumph is a skill-based mobile gaming app where players compete in quick arcade-style mini-games like Brick Breaker to win real cash rewards. You can play one-on-one matches, join tournaments, or try blitz battles, with the winners taking home the prize money. The app is free to download, but joining real money matches usually requires a small entry fee. If you win, you can withdraw your earnings via PayPal or Venmo. Many users report that withdrawals are processed quickly once your identity is verified. There's also a referral bonus, so you can earn extra by inviting friends. From my experience, the mini-games are fun and competitive, the withdrawal process is smooth, and the support team responds quickly whenever you need help. Of course, there are risks. Since you're paying to play, losing money is always possible. Winning depends on your skill, and higher levels bring tougher competition. Some players have also raised concerns about regional restrictions and match fairness. One user shared that Swiftgram has fixed the broken share sheet issue with VoiceOver, making the app much more accessible. They also appreciated that, unlike Nicegram, Swiftgram is open source and ad-free. Overall, they were happy to have discovered it and praised the developers for addressing major glitches. So, is Triumph worth it? If you enjoy competitive mobile games and don't mind small risks, it can be a fun way to earn some extra cash. But realistically, it shouldn't be considered a reliable source of income, more of a casual gaming app with the chance to win modest rewards. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.